Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about inheritance in Java. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly is this inheritance? To understand this inheritance in a better way, you need to first understand this inheritance with a real world example. After that, you need to understand inheritance in Java language. So let me first explain this inheritance in a real world. Okay, in real world, what exactly is this inheritance? In real world, you will often see children inheriting the properties from their parents or grandparents. Okay. Generally in real world, what happens? There will be some children who will be inheriting the properties. What do I mean by properties? Properties in real world are like, houses, money, lands, all the monetary stuff. Okay. So in real world, the children will inherit the properties from their parents or their grandparents, right? Generally, in real world, the children will inherit the properties from their parents or grandparents. That's what we call as inheritance in real world. Okay, that's what is the meaning of inheritance in real world. Not only the properties, guys, children will also inherit some behaviors. If you are born to some rich people, you will behave like rich, right? The children of the rich people will behave like rich. If you are born to poor people, the children of the poor will behave like poor. Behaviors will be decided based on your parents or grandparents. Okay. And other thing like genes. Okay, you look similar to your either of your parents or grandparents. You look similar. Not only that, some diseases also may come from your parents and grandparents. A lot of things you will inherit in real world, right? So generally in real world, children will inherit a lot of things from their parents or grandparents. That's what inheritance meaning is in real world. The same thing if I apply for Java language. In Java, what is inheritance then? In Java, what is inheritance? In Java, a class can inherit properties from another class. Okay? Let's say this is one class. This class can acquire the properties from another class. And this process in Java is called as inheritance. What is inheritance in Java language? In Java, instead of the people, here class. There is one class which can inherit the properties from another class. Here, the class which is acquiring the properties is called as a child class. What is a child class? A class which is acquiring the properties. What do I mean by properties in say in case of this class? What do I mean by properties here? I am saying a class which is acquiring the properties from another class. So what are the properties? Properties are nothing but variables, methods, etc. Guys, whatever you can create inside the class, right? Those are called as properties. So a class, if it acquires some properties from another class, that class which is acquiring the properties is called as a child class. And the class from which another class is inheriting the properties is called as a parent class. This is a parent class from which child class is acquiring the properties. So you already know about classes, right? How to create classes in Java, right? Let's say I created two classes. Now one of the class want to acquire some properties, get some properties from another class. Then the class which is really acquiring the properties from another class is called as a child class. The class from which the child class is acquiring the properties for that child class, the other class is a parent class. Okay. The class the class from which the child class is acquiring the properties. Okay, the class from which the child class is acquiring the properties is is a parent class of the child class. Okay. So we can call that particular class from which the child class is acquiring the properties as a parent of this child class. Second thing, what is a child class then? The class which is acquiring the properties from another class, okay? Then the class which is acquiring the properties, okay? Then this class is a child class of that another class. Got it? So the relation between these two classes can be said as parent and child. If a class is acquiring the properties from another class, this class is a child class of this class. Now, if a class is providing the properties to another class, then this class is called the parent of this class. Like that, using relation, you have to explain what is parent class and child class. Now, how to make a particular class as a child class of another class, how to make a particular class as a parent of another class. I'm going to demonstrate this practically in Java in the next session. Okay. In this session, I'm only explaining the concept, guys. What exactly is meant by inheritance? I'm going to explain to help you understand what exactly is inheritance. I have taken a real world example where children acquire the properties from their parents or grandparents in real world, right? So here, in coming to the Java, a class will acquire the properties from another class, or a class will provide the properties to another class. Okay, a class which is acquiring the properties is called as a child class in Java. A class which is providing the properties to another class is called as a parent class of that particular class, which to which this class is providing the properties, we can say. Okay, there is a relation here between these two classes which are acquiring properties, which is providing the properties to. Okay, so this is a child of this class, this is the parent of this class, like that we can say in Java. Now you understood what is inheritance. In the next session, I'll demonstrate how to create this child and parent classes, so that child class can acquire the properties from the parent class and parent class can provide the properties to the child class. Everything I'm going to show you practically in the next session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.